Another important thing that Soursop can do for you is it helps in controlling your blood sugar. Now, when you have excess of sugar, too much of sugar in your body, it comes to diabetes. You understand? You'll be suffering from diabetes. That's why most persons will have me swallow, their legs will be swollen. They can't move very well because of why? Excess of sugar. Now, Soursop will help in burning those sugars inside your body. Soursop is good if you eat it often. It boosts your immune system, making it to be strong and fight against a lot of diseases. When this Soursop, if you want to be glowing, see I'm glowing, Abi. Eat Soursop. Eat Soursop often. If not cost, go and buy it and eat it often. Soursop fruit, also called Curry Aronia scientifically, has a lot of benefits that can improve your health. In this video, I will teach you what this Soursop can do for you as a human being that can boost your immune system and make it to be healthy generally. A lot of people always go to the hospital, they fall sick, but we have a lot of natural things that God has given to us that can improve our health, which is one of the things that can improve your health is eating more of Soursop. Because Soursop will help you in different ways. It will help you to live healthy, will make your immune system to be strong, to fight diseases that will attack your body. So I'm going to be telling you the 8 things that Soursop can do for you if you are eating Soursop often, that can do for you in your body and make you to live more healthy. If you are new to the channel, do us well to subscribe and like this video. Number one thing Soursop can do for you if you are eating it often is it helps in building your immune system. Now, your immune system are your organs that fight against diseases. When the disease enter into your body, it's those immune system inside you that will help to fight against those diseases so that it will not affect the whole body. So if you don't build your immune system, if any disease enter your body, it will break you down. That's why if you look very well, some persons, they don't fall sick easily because why? They are eating things that can boost their immune system to fight against diseases that can attack the body. Because most of the things we eat into our system contains a lot of bacteria, contain germs. Now, once you eat this into your body, it will cause harm to you. But with the help of Soursop, it will help to boost your immune system. Then a lot of diseases like some people suffer for cold, fever, and so many illnesses. You understand? Catarrh, so many illnesses because your immune system is strong. When this thing comes to you, like enter your body, like some people now, if they are moving now, if there is dust in the place now, that dust can make them to be having catarrh. But when you have a strong immune system, that immune system will fight and it cannot affect you anymore. The second thing Soursop can do for you, it helps in improving your digestive system. Now, what is digestive system? When you eat food into your body, there are organs in your body that will help to digest the food, break down the food into small particles so that the food you have eaten can now work in your body, can now make you to be more healthy. So if the food you have eaten is not digested, it will become problem to you. For example, now you swallow garri into your system and the garri did not digest. How do you think that you will be? So this Soursop will help you. It will boost those organs in your body that can help in fighting against diseases that affect your system. The third thing that Soursop can do for you is Soursop supports your heart. It helps your heart to beat very well, to take in blood very effectively. Soursop help in controlling your blood pressure, you understand, so that the blood in your system can be functioning, can be pumping very well. So you need to be eating proteinous food like Soursop for you to build your health, your heart, so that your heart can be working effectively. Another one that Soursop can help you do is it can help in reducing inflammations, and this is really a big problem. Now, this inflammation has to do with sometimes you may be having joint pain, leg pain, waist pain. Now, if you are eating more of Soursop, it will help in fighting against those inflammations that can affect your system, you understand, and making you to live more healthy, you understand. It helps to reduce It also helps to reduce stress. If you're over stressing yourself, it's good that you eat soursop to help your system. Another important thing soursop do is it helps you to sleep very well. When you are stressed up, you can take the leaves of the soursop can help you to relax very well. Most persons after the long day work, they are not able to sleep. After stressing themselves, they are not able to sleep. But if you eat soursop often and also use the leaves to do tea and drink, it will help you to sleep, to relax your nerves, to help you to relax very well. The leaves of soursop are used as tea to calm nerves and improve sleep. So it will help you to sleep very well, sleep like a baby. So if you can get the soursop leaf, you boil it and you drink the water, it will help you to relax very well after your day stress. Another important thing that soursop can do for you is it helps in controlling your blood sugar. Now, when you have excess of sugar, too much of sugar in your body, it comes to diabetes. You understand? You'll be suffering from diabetes. That's why most persons will have swelling, their legs will be swollen. They can't move very well because of why? Excess of sugar. Now, soursop will help in burning those sugars inside your body. You understand? Soursop will help in burning those sugars. That's why we say eat more of soursop often. You understand? Eat more of soursop often. You get? So it helps to support blood sugar control, and it can help you to control your blood sugar, making you not to have diabetes. You understand? So soursop helps in reducing blood sugar. It's good for diabetes patients when taken correctly. Soursop helps in protecting the body and the cells from being damaged. You understand? It helps your cells from being damaged. So you eat soursop often. You understand? Then also, soursop have anti-aging properties. If you are eating soursop always, you not get old easily. You not get old easily. If you are eating soursop always, you not get old easily. So I recommend soursop for you. Go to the market and buy soursop and eat it often and live healthy. Thank you very much for viewing. If you are around the Osoro Kwale area and you can't buy it, you have money to buy it, comment below. I will give you. I have about 5 or 6 soursop at home. I will give you one. Try it. Soursop very sweet.